Next, this one was, I haven't done a video on this one yet, so you guys don't even know that it's, well, I didn't do the video of me starting the fermentation. So this will be its first time on camera. This is our Aprikiwi Kiwi Apricot Mead. Right now, it's just a mead. I'm following this recipe from Steading Brews on YouTube. I try a lot of their recipes. Pretty much ever since I started home brewing, I've followed them, tried their recipes. This one I'm really excited about because this one's going to go like a neon green after we add our fruit. But right now, there's no fruit. This is just honey, water, and yeast and nutrient. So we're going to do our first reading on it. This one was started on May the 10th, or no, this was started on May 9th with a gravity of 1.100, pH around 4.0. This one started on the heating pad. So now we're going to take note and see where we're sitting. 16. This will be our first reading, and I figured if I have all the stuff out, I might as well do a reading on it, see how it's going, because eventually I need this bucket for our chocolate covered cherry revamped recipe, but it smells like a mead. So this one has got me really excited, but this looks like we're sitting at 1.032. Maybe you guys can tell me, is there a point when you do not add any more nutrient? I know for made K, after a certain point, you didn't want to add any more because I don't remember why, but I did remember reading that you don't want to add after a certain point because it could cause off flavors. But for Mado, do you have a point when you just don't add anymore? But as of right now, going to hit this with another dose of Fermado. And we'll see if this one does the same thing as the last one. And we'll give this a nice gentle stir. Now, maybe I didn't need to add that nutrient. Maybe I just needed to give this thing a good stir, because as you can see and hear, sometimes all you need to do is give it a good little swirl. And we're going to put it back up on the shelf, give it about another week or two. And then, hopefully then, it'll be time to add our fruit. But that's a whole nother video.